Are you struggling to showcase your brand online? A strong website is crucial for your business. At Pagecloud, we simplify website building, ensuring your brand shines effortlessly. This spring, we unveil exciting new features. Easily integrate your brand identity into your website. From blog theming to improved font management, the possibilities are endless. Make your blog an extension of your brand. Customize fonts, colors, and styles in just minutes. A consistent experience builds trust, resulting in more business. Organize your fonts seamlessly. Upload and access custom fonts easily from Google and Adobe libraries. No more tedious uploads, just pure creativity. Enhance your pages with our new section dividers. Create captivating transitions between sections without any coding. Choose from various styles to make your website truly unique. Pagecloud is committed to making your website building journey smoother and more impactful. Your brand's online presence matters, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Join the Pagecloud community now. Try these new features and elevate your brand to new heights. Don't wait. Start creating the website of your dreams today.